What's good, everybody? It's your curly and brown boy back at it again with another great video for you guys. I'm Prince and I hope that you are ready for some more of that good fashion knowledge, because today we will be talking about the 5 elements of design. And so to get started, I want you to think about a fashion designer. Right now, a fashion designer has the ability to constantly be coming up with new and creative ideas. You know, year after year, season after season, they're just always coming up with new ideas. And I think that is absolutely amazing. Like, how are they always coming up with new ideas? And so, a key to this is that they have mastered the elements of design. And so, the first element of design that we will be talking about is shape. And so, shape is a two-dimensional flat object. And when we talk about a garment, we are referring to the outlining shape that a garment has. So, is it triangular shape? Is it square shape? I don't know. And we get two different types of shapes. We get organic shapes and we get geometric shapes. And so, a geometric shape is identified by all its straight lines, like a square. And an organic shape is identified by its curved lines, so like the classic heart shape. And so, just by playing around and having fun with this, you can implement shapes into your garment and come up with all crazy fun ideas for new garments. Our second element of design is form. And form is a three-dimensional object. And so, a square is a shape. Therefore, a cube is a form, because a cube has width, length, height, and depth, and all those characteristics give it a form. We as people, we have a form. And in fashion design, we also talk about a silhouette. And so a silhouette is how the garment sits on the body. Is it tight fitting? Is it loose fitting? Does it maybe have a box form? And hide your figure? Maybe it has like an hourglass form and really exaggerates the figure. And so, just by using form, you can change the overall look of your dress and really make it fun and super beautiful and creative. And now, our third element of design, which is one of my favorites, is color. I absolutely love color. As you can see on my wall, there's just so much color going on. Today I'm not actually wearing color, but I love to wear color as well. And I think color is just so important. You know, when you look at a garment, the first thing you notice is the color. You're like, oh, that's blue. Oh, that's red. Think of this. When was the last time you went to the store and bought an outfit in a color you don't like? Even if the fit is looking super fire, like the style is so good, but if the color is off, you're not gonna buy it. You just won't buy it, because that's how important color is. And color has the ability to evoke certain emotions from us, and also to represent and stand for different things. So, for example, red. Red evokes the emotion of passion and love, and can even stand for alertness. That's why like danger signs are done in red. It's like danger, alert. Another example can be yellow. Yellow evokes the emotions of happiness and joyfulness and energy, and can stand for intelligence. And so, here's a little tip. If you're ever feeling down or you're just not up for the day, and this is even in like color psychology, just throw on a yellow shirt and it can actually just pick up your whole mood. And so I think this is absolutely amazing, how just by color, and if you use color intelligently, you can evoke emotions from people and allow the person to stand for different things. And that is so amazing and so cool. Now, our fourth element of design is lines. And there is so many ways to use lines. There's like an infinite amount of ways to use lines. We get zigzag lines, we get horizontal lines, we get diagonal lines, we get broken lines. There's just so many lines. And just by using lines, you can create so many different ways, so many different looks on your garment. And a really cool thing that I think is super fun is how lines can give illusion. So, by wearing vertical striped an outfit, right, you can create the illusion of height. you can make yourself just look taller, even look skinnier. And I think that is absolutely amazing. You can give the illusion of energy and movement by using diagonal lines and horizontal lines. If you use high placed horizontal lines, it can make you look bigger or even shorter. So just by playing around with lines, and there are so many ways to use lines, you can really have a lot of fun and create all sorts of illusions on your garments. Now this brings me to our fifth and final element of design, which is textures. And there are a world of textures because in fashion design, our medium of art is fabrics. Fabrics have textures, and so we have so many textures that we can work with. We have smooth, we have fluffy, we have shiny, we have dull textures. And the more you know about fabrics, the better of a designer you'll become. And you can use all these different fabrics to create different textures on your garments. Just by cutting and pasting and putting them together, you can create these beautiful and amazing textures. So that was the last of the elements of design. So I really hope that you guys liked this video, and if you learned something new, then drop this video a like. Guys, I post weekly videos, and at the end of this week, I'm going to drop another video. So hit that like and subscribe button, and so that you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.